Alright guys, this one I made of ice. It was a big block of it. And this is what I made. This is what I made. As looks cool, right? This is what I made. This is what it looks super cool. I had to vlog about how to do this when I made it. Let's see if I can break it. Actually, ooh, you saw that? You drop that in. That's how cool it is. But this is what it is. Yeah, top book bar right here. Right here. So yeah. Yeah, it looks cool, doesn't it? Try duck piece. Nah, I don't want to. Well, let me grab the blog about this. I'm just kidding. I'm just at home, just chilling. But yeah, doesn't this look cool? Yeah, it has tiny holes in it. It's melting. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, I'm gonna look in the back. Might see no big hole. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I guess yeah. Bye.